Welcome to a discussion of sharing the calibration curve. The idea is simple. We're going to pick one compound as the cal reference, and then that curve, those response factors, will be inherited by other compounds, and we'll be sharing that calibration curve. Let's take an example of associating this reference compound and those compounds that inherit that reference calibration. So the concrete example involves diethyl, and that will be in this phthalate series. I'll let the other phthalates inherit from that calibration curve, and I'll make a relationship between the diethyl and bis-methoxyethyl and bis-ethoxyethyl and benzyl butyl, and those compounds will inherit the calibration curve from diethyl. Here we are looking at batch at a glance, and we can see the samples and the GC-FID signal here. And this is diethyl phthalate, which will act as the reference calibration. So let's look at the Quant method editor setup. And we're going to, inside of the method table, we're going to make an association. In this case, diethyl is the reference calibration, and you'll notice for all the targets that I want to inherit from diethyl, I put that compound name into the compound group. That makes an association between this target and diethyl. And now the demo. So here we are in batch at a glance and looking at the calibration curve for diethyl. If I move to the other compounds, you'll see that that calibration curve changes. All right, let's go over to the method editor. And in the method editor, let's look at adding a column that's not there right now. So I'm going to add a column that's called compound group. And compound group is where I'm going to put that association. And you can see diethyl, besides the ISTD, all of the targets have the compound group marked as diethyl, so the association will be seen by the action script. So here in the Quant method editor, I'm going to go to Tools, Actions, and copy calibration level. This will copy the calibration curve, level and responses to the other compounds. And we see here diethyl. If we look past the others, you will see the same calibration curve is now copied. Next, I am going to quantitate, not analyze, because analyze will rebuild the calibration table. And when I go back to batch at a glance, after quantitating, I can see that all of these compounds have shared the same calibration curve that's originating from diethyl. Thanks for your attention.